Hello, I'm Sam and we are going to look at the difference between good and well together. I make very good pizza. What is good describing? It's describing pizza, which is a noun, which makes good an adjective. And where does it go in the sentence? It goes before the noun. I make pizza very well. What is well describing here? It's describing make. And make is a verb, so well is an adverb. And where does it go in a sentence? It goes after the verb. Careful, because well can also be an adjective, but only to talk about feeling healthy or unhealthy. I wasn't feeling very well yesterday, but I'm fine today. So keep watching these videos so your English will be good and you will be able to speak it well.